People in South Carolina use mustard. What's the old thing you say, set it and forget it? They're getting ready to probably roll some potatoes across the floor. That's all right. Brown sugar, really? Never did quite figure that out. People, it's all about vinegar. I got a big pig cooker you pull behind a trailer. Used it for years. Did this one time. Never go back. 5, 4, 3, 2. So I've been cooking barbecue for hundreds of years because I'm hundreds of years old. But I got a big pig cooker you pull behind a trailer. Used it for years. Did this one time. Never go back. So this is the Ninja 4-in-1 food processor. We're going to use the pressure side today. So we went to Aldi's. Bought us a Boston Butt from Aldi's, boneless Boston Butt. First thing you want to do is take a cup of water. This is for the steam process. Put it in Ninja Foodi.
And that's 1 cup of water, Brad?
1 cup of water, Brad. Then you take the Boston Butt, use the wire rack on the low setting. Put the Boston Butt in there as so. And then you can put any kind of seasoning you want to put on it. We prefer to use a little bit of salt. It's going to most of it come off because we'll pressure it off anyway, but we're going to just give it a little, salt makes things happen. You know. It's pretty self-explanatory. It's got arrows on the front, tells you where to put it in. You can line the lid up like that. And you put it on just a little bit, and then you put it on ass backwards. There, how about that? This little pressure release valve up top has to be on pressure. And why in the world they put it for blind folk like me? So what we're going to do, when this lines up, it's sealed. See that? Not sealed. Sealed. Pretty cool, huh? Turn the power on. We're going to go to pressure. It automatically sets to high. And we're going to put it in there for 2 hours. Now, it'll take this thing probably 3 hours for the whole process by the time that it builds pressure and builds its pressure up, and just press start. When you see these arrows, it'll start building pressure. And it does the thing, and then it'll cut off after 2 hours. You can leave it. You don't have to be here when it cuts off. But I like to be here because that'll really overcook it. So when it's all done, you just flip this little lid. I'll show you when we come back. All right, guys, we're back. This is the pressure point, right? So it freaks everybody out. Once this thing's done, you got to release the pressure. That's all it is. So don't let it freak you out. What it'll do is, you can see it'll start timing. And you really, for safety reasons, just let that thing go. And it takes about 20 minutes. So we'll be back. 5, 4, 3, 2. All right, guys, we're back. It's been a few more than 20 minutes now. But the pressure's released. As you can see, we're at about 1965. Twist the lid. And watch this. So, we have now got a pressure cooked. By the way, we're looking for a response for mittens because these are paper towels. All else fails, grab the towels. Look at that. Pressure cooked pretty good. Now, it's hot. I want to show you something. This is going to be hard to show you. I want you to look at this. How much fat and water it brings out of that Boston Butt if you're not putting in your belly. Watch this, watch this. Now, my grandma would make rice with that. But they say that's bad for you, even though she lived to be 104, chewed tobacco every day. And ate fat pork every day of her life. But, you know, so now, here's what we're going to do. We'll take this same pot with nothing in it. We're going to take this Boston Butt, we're going to put it right back in there like that. I took some potatoes, new potatoes and carrots. We call them new potatoes. They come from Sam's. We bought them tonight, so that makes them new, right? And new carrots too, if you want to call them that. And I put some olive oil or some kind of oil on them, and Italian dressing, powdered Italian dressing. That's right, Aldi brand. This is all Aldi stuff because we like going to Aldi's because Aldi's is cheap. You can get the big old grocery cart full of stuff. So I just tossed them in that. One just oozes right like that right there. Hang right across the thing. Look at that. Now, I'm gonna close the lid. Now here's something you got to be careful of because I've done this wrong twice. Might do it again tonight. We're going to go on a different option here. What we're going to do now is we're going to go on our bacon roast. Let's bake this thing. So what we're going to do is bake it, make it crispy, right? We're going to let it stay at 375. Now, if you go over 20 minutes, I'm going to tell you, I wanted my fat a little bit more crispy. So I went to 30 and made it so doggone dry. My fiance had to mix some vegan something together and then a broth and cook it and make it look good, but it was edible. We wanted to eat it right out the chute. So we're gonna go 22 minutes on bake and roast, and we're gonna hit the start button. And she's gonna fry. It's gonna be good for us. It'll be good to us, maybe not for us. So you ask now, can we do the magic again? Well, of course we can do the magic again. I'll see you back in about a second. We just hope so. If it ain't cooked enough, I'm gonna cook it some more, add some more minutes, and I'll tell you about it. Ain't gonna waste your time. 5, 4, 3, 2. It's magic. We're here. Look at the timer. Now you can open this at any time while it's doing this. Just be a little careful with it. Ladies and gentlemen, I promise you. Did I check it before I came back home? Well, certainly I did. I cheated. Why? Because I don't like it. Well, I don't like it either anyway, right? But you're going to see something. Wait till you see what magic's fixing to come out this here pot. So we're going to go ahead and stop it. Because, like I said, I cheated, so I know what it looks like. Raise that lid. I'm going to tell you. What you're getting ready to see, most people take care of. Watch this. Look at this tater. Now, I'm going to show you something about checking a potato. When a potato's done, take a knife and just ease right through it. Just ease, just like that right there. Okay? Now, I promise you, when I take this out, this stuff's going to dump everywhere. So I'm a little bit smarter than that. I'm going to take a little bit of it off the top. Got it nice and crisp up here. Look at that. What are we talking about? That was what, 25, 22 minutes, I believe it was, on bake. Now again, we are getting ready to probably roll some potatoes across the floor, but that's all right. We got sauce with salsa here on the floor, and I promise you, he'll probably clean up everything that we have. He will not like it because it will be extremely hot. So, Sosa, you need to back off. I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to pick this bud up. Just Sosa will eat that. Don't worry about it. Look at that. Look at that baby right there, huh? Look at that. Reach in here. Well, like I said, we still need a sponsor, right? Yeah. Because we ain't got no sponsor for our stuff. There's the rest of the potatoes. Look at the carrots. Them was new carrots, remember? We bought them new from the store. There's another carrot. Now, according to what your taste buds are, there's a little bit of juice in the bottom, and we want that juice. If I burn my hands, we'll have to edit this video. Look at that. Perfection. What's the old thing you say, set it and forget it? Well, you can set it and forget it. You can get up in the morning, you can put that bud in, put the timer on, and just leave it. Get back home. It'll keep it warm, and it'll self-release the pressure for you, so you don't have to get scared about the pressure. And 20 minutes later, you got supper. Now, state of North Carolina is the #1 state in the world for barbecue. So we got to have barbecue sauce. Now, you can go out in the grocery store and you can buy all these brands, and there's plenty of them. People in South Carolina use mustard. Never did quite figure that out. Charlotte, brown sugar, really? People, it's all about vinegar. It's just about vinegar. So I'm going to tell you what we're going to do. We're going to leave this beautiful tray right here just like it is. And by the magic of modern technology, in just a few minutes, I'm going to give you a once-in-a-lifetime offer to see my own secret barbecue sauce, so I give to no one. But I figure, heck, I ain't going to be here that much longer anyway, and I'm not going to sell it, so I'm going to make my own barbecue sauce. You come back in a little bit, I promise you, you will not be let down. I'll make you some barbecue sauce in just a minute.